By comments, then this is the another shape the question is largest array with the zero sum. This question mark as a medium my question. Yes, it is a medium mark for the beginners who try it for the first time. It is not an easy. Try the first time, make your questions because it is not an easy problem. Okay, so you do think creative. Okay, now let's see what the question is and how to solve this question. Given an array contain both positive and negative integer, the task is to compute the length of the largest subarray with the has the sort of zero. I hope you know what is the subarray. Subarray is simply a continuous block of array. See subarray, one subarray. This region subarray. This region subarray. Any size of which, but is the continuous and elements. It's called a subarray. Yes. The question says find the maximum subarray, maximum length of subarray. Sum is you see that in the first test case. You see in the first test case. If we pick this element and this element, in this and this and this, their sum, this four, this five elements is going to zero. You see that. See that this is the sum of the sum elements. Zero means one of the maximum length is five. The second example, we simply see that is given as zero. Only no one gave me as zero. Since the length is zero. In the final case, we simply see that for take this element, this survival, it's given me as zero. Yes, I have to understand that. Now, let's think how we solve this kinds of question. Ah, yes. Suppose this is not our given. Suppose only 15 length of 15 only one length of array is given. If only one array. We see that this is our the 15, it is our not calculating, that's why it's a we are minus 2 and can it be anyways. You know, simply we add one more to if you see 15 minus 2, what 13? Yes, at that place our sum is 15. If we add minus 2, so our sum is 13. And we are again plus 2, our sum is again 15. Means this thing we have 5 before the 15. But in some we again we got to 15 before that. Means what? But this line to this line matching to the change in the sum. Means what? What value is from this person to this person will not change the sum value. Means what? This this to this value becomes zero. That's why we are not changing the sum. And you understand. Let's see more further. Again with that. Okay. So again with that new space. Again with that. Suppose our first element is 15. Okay. Our sum is 15. Then suppose we are take one more element is minus 2. Yes, our sum is 15. Okay. When we have add 2, we again we got 15 sum. Yes, again we got 15 means what? This value no we think which will be sum. Well, and again we got the sum. As previous we have to got it. And so this array will not add up anything. This is why. Why does not add up anything? Because it's becomes zero. It's becomes zero. That's why. Okay. Now let's see the problem. Now we have to add -8. Yes, we have to add -8. Okay. That's the thing is become what? I think it's below 7. We add 1. Then we add 1 it's 8. Then we add 7 again. Okay. And then if we add 7, then what will we have done? Simply again becomes 15. Yes. Second 15 means what? I have got this 15 again. Means what? You see in the previous, you see them is the last. This one is the last. No, 15 I got it. Means what? This from 15 to this 15, this sub added no add one in this sum. Why this not add anything in? Anything in? Because there's this element sum is 0. That's why they not add any elements in the function. For that. Next time. Yes. So how we know that our 15 is taken in the previous one, in the previous. How will we think that our 15 is already in there? We simply do that. But what we are sure we have to 15 in the world. So we do that. Yes. But again, we realized it proper distance. These propositions proper diagram. And of course, I hope you understand now the logic how to solve this question. Yes, if you understand this question and something hint you can, please do solve it yourself. Please go and solve it yourself. Don't foresee the solution. I simply is to hide on the solution. Simply hide the solution. Simply hide the solution. Now, now, yes, I would like to teach this. So, these are discussing okay. Yes. Suppose I am making a man. I am not make this set to understand that why I am making the man. Man is to our two values. Yes, the first value uh, is the parent son. Yes, it's 15 son. It's our 15 son. And how many times it will be happen? It's one time. Yes, we have to make our math. Yes, the key value here. Yes, wait a minute. Yes. There I am. I am making that this is to the key value terms of 15. 15 is at 10. That's 15 11. What times? Need me just to the 15 and a half not more. We need to store the 15 and a half with each index is and the zero index. Yes, simply store 0 plus 1 index. Because this is the one question. write also a zero. Okay. Now if we go on this process, this starting thing is not at the close of two elements. Yes, that's clear. Okay. Now again we are at 2, it's again be 15. If we check that, yes, 15 is in the RHS set. Yes, 15 is in the set. At which places? One place. I want this place. We add them. 15 is already happened at one place. Then what is my next? What is the length? This is our so then we screen as our 0. Simply our what thing. So it's our 1, 2, and 3 position. 3 minus 1. Something. Yes. Our I is computed. I is our 0, 1, it's 2, it's only 1. We have I plus 1, simply I plus 1. Yes. This one is our map of and P of. So I cannot write because I am simply launch touch cloud, not touch right. That's why I'm not writing it. When I'm looking at here because the pencil is too thin. First, we increase the size of the pencil. And then this is enough. Yes. Yes, now I yes. Now I plus 1. Why? I plus 1 minus map of sum. Where it will happen? Where a map of sum will give what thing? This will give me an index value because I am showing 150 and they are corresponding with their index. Yes, therefore you give me index value and this is also you give me index value, which means subtract with the value. Simply because this all things and we have got the next step. Let's see the solution. How will we write this solution? You see, this solution simply by we simply make a variable. We store the hour and we also make a map which you can store the sum with the corresponding index. We store the map 0 of 0 more first. Then why we have to store the map 0 of 0? Anyone got it? Anyone? Why would we have to store that? And else yes, we have to store the number of 0 of 0. Okay, my in sum is equal to 0. Our running handle from this to this, from height to size at the end. And our sum is equal to we are adding the sum. At each index means added first we are add 15, then we add -2, then we have 2, then we have this. And each time we have to find in the map this thing is present or not. If this is present, we simply our answer. If this is not known, simply add that same to the map. Yes. and at the end we have to return on the answer value. Yes, I hope you understand this also. I think you can solve that by yourself if you see it the first time. This is not an hard problem. Yes, think